Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Sakshi Singhania and I create videos on skincare, beauty, lifestyle and fashion. And as you all must have read, I am going to review YouTuber's owned brand. Honestly, I am a person who watches YouTube over Netflix. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा YouTube देखती हूँ. It's so creepy after a point of time that even when I want to sleep, sometimes I just play some random video on YouTube in the background and I'm just there. So yeah, I love YouTube and I have been watching these creators especially from a very long time. So obviously जब उन्होंने खुद का brand launch किया था, I was very curious and excited. So let's get started. And the next content creator is Sara Sarosh. I am sure all of you know her, but in case you do not, you really need to go and watch her channel. Oh my god, she has achieved so much at her age. She has hustled through her life on and on. And guys, like I have seen her journey and I have cried on some of her videos because she started creating content while she was also studying, and then she dropped that, and now she's come a long way. She is very inspiring and again very raw and real. So she has her own brand called Impulse Coffee, and as the name suggests, obviously it's a coffee brand. She does amazing flavored coffee. She has got raspberry. Recently she also launched pineapple. Then there is mocha, vanilla, hazelnut. But I have tried only one, which is mocha coffee, and I have also gifted the same variant to two of my friends. And I must say that the coffee is very nice. When you have that coffee, you will get the premium feel, and it is priced at 699 rupees. So it's around 600 or 700 rupees. I'll put the exact price here for the big jar. And those coffees have 100% Arabica coffee, which means like it's like pure coffee, and Arabica coffee is very expensive. So that's why when you look at the price, it is not very cheap. It does not come near the Nescafe normal coffee, but it's priced nearly about Nescafe Gold या फिर आप Davidoff ले लोगे तो prices काफ़ी इनके similar है. So if you're into flavored coffee, you should definitely try out her brand. I personally do not enjoy flavored coffee as much. Honestly, मेरा मन भी नहीं करता है try करने का. But yeah, the hazelnut and the mocha coffee is really amazing. And the next thing that I have, this is not exactly her brand, but she worked in collaboration with Pack, and you all must have seen the shots that I have created. This is a collaboration, Pack X Sara. Pack is a different makeup brand and it's an amazing brand, but I want to review it here because she was working with them for more than a year, and it's literally like working with for your own brand. And the first thing that I have is the blush. This is in the shade Turkish Delight, and this is what I am wearing right now. I totally love this blush. It is amazing and the color payoff is really good. The best part about the blush is, first thing, that the doe foot applicator, like it's a huge applicator and it makes it really easy for you to apply the blush and then blend. And second is that it is blendable and buildable. So unlike the Face Shop blushes, if you must have used, you just put one dot and if you don't blend in फटाफट then वो वहाँ पे mark छोड़ जाता है. But with this you can be carefree. You just apply both the dots on both the sides and you can blend it, you can build it up if you want more, and it also gives a nice subtle glow and it does not look cakey at all. So yeah, I love this blush. It has one more shade, I don't exactly remember the name, I'll pop it here, but I wanted to go for this one. This is more of a pinkish toned blush. The other one is more on the orange side and I already had one such shade. So yeah, one is this and totally love it. And the second is the Dewy Hydrating Mist. Look at the packaging, guys. Like the packaging feels so luxe because chrome type packaging hai. And the best part about this is the spray. So if you see, like, did you see? The spray is so fine, the mist is so fine. I have not experienced anything like this in any of the other makeup fixer. This is like a hydrating mist, and once you do your makeup, you can just spray this all over and this will set your makeup very nicely. Not only it will set, but like the name suggests, it will also be very dewy. but once you apply this, this will set your makeup and also it will make it very dewy. Like I love that dewy effect, so I love this mist. Before this, I was using the mist from NYX, and as soon as it got over, she had launched this, and I was like, what a timing! And I totally love it. I do not regret it at all. Coming to the price point, again, this is priced at 800 rupees, which is not very affordable for sure, but it comes really very close to the Rare Beauty blush. So if you don't want to spend that much, this is an amazing option that you can go for. And this is priced at 895 rupees, and I think it's a good price because look at the amount you are getting, and it's really huge, and I have used quite a lot, and you can see itna hi khatam hua hai, so I wouldn't mind paying this much for something like this. I've also applied this right now, so my makeup is looking dewy because of this, and if you like that effect, go for it, don't think even once. And the last content creator is Jovita George. She is the OG content creator for skincare, and her videos are very, very informative and very useful. Like, she's brutally honest in all of her videos, so I really trust her recommendations. And she also worked with PAC in collaboration for makeup brushes. So this is what she had launched in collaboration with PAC. This is not really again her own brand, but even if you're collaborating with a brand for something, you literally work with them like it's your own brand, because these brushes is something that reflects her. And when I talk about these brushes, it comes in this nice bag, and I love that it comes in this bag because it is very easy for you to travel your makeup brushes with, and you don't want to just keep all of your brushes in your any makeup bag ऐसे ही, because वो पूरे सारे dust उसमें accumulate हो जाते हैं. So I loved that she gave a nice bag to travel with. Plus it has got again the chrome finish, which I love. And not just that, if you see, the chain has also very nice cute color detailing all over it, which makes it interesting, and the quality of the chain is also very nice. So ये brush set मेरे पास 1.5 साल से है, and you can see ये चेन भी अभी तक ख़राब नहीं हुआ है, एंड आई लव द पैकेजिंग. इसके अंदर 8 ब्रशेस हैं, बट बिफोर दैट this brush set is named as all you need, which means this is all you need if you are into thoda sa even minimalist makeup, or if you have that artist inside you. But this is all you need. This has got 8 brushes for each and every step, and I will take you through all of it. So the first one is this foundation brush, but before that, let's look at the packaging. It feels very, very luxe. Even if you're using it, like, it feels nice, heavy, and when I say heavy, it's not very heavy yet not very light कि वो एकदम ही filmy सा लगे, but it feels very, very nice. And this is their foundation brush, which is like a kabuki brush, and it has flat surface. प्लस इसकी जो ब्रिसल्स हैं बहुत ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट है. यू कैन सी, मैं इसको ही यूज़ करती हूँ. आई लव दिस ब्रश सेट. दिस इज़ ऑल आई यूज़, एंड थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव है ओवरऑल. वी विल टॉक अबाउट इट इन सम टाइम, बट या, दिस इज द फाउंडेशन ब्रश, एंड द फाउंडेशन glides on very, very smoothly. Not just that, I have washed all these brushes multiple times, and even then the shape of the bristles won't go away. It will remain as is. आप उसको कितना भी wash कर लो. So that's the best part, because मैंने थोड़े ऐसे brushes में face किया था जहाँ पे मैंने उनको बहुत अगर roughly wash कर दिया था, तो उनकी जो shape है वो ख़राब हो गया था. Plus it is very, very dense. So अगर आप इससे foundation लगा रहे हो, आपकी foundation actually बहुत ही अच्छे से layer on होती है. And the second one is their concealer brush. Now the best part about this brush is that इसकी जो shape है and इसकी जो width है, it is perfect. Like if you're putting concealer here, like you see, it fits very perfectly under your eyes. So that is what I love about this one. And then the third is the blush brush. This is their sculpting brush, and ये थोड़े ऐसे shape में है. So you can use this brush even for applying blushes, and you can use it for applying bronzer as well. I have applied my blush through this. All of these brushes feel very, very luxurious, और इसकी bristles बहुत ज़्यादा soft हैं, so you will not mind that at all. Then it also comes with these 5 आई शेडो ब्रशेज. नाउ इसमें यू कैन सी आई हैव नॉट यूज दिस बिकॉज मेरे पास एक बहुत पहले का ब्रश सेट पड़ा है जो उसमें ऑलमोस्ट ये सारे ब्रशेज हैं एंड आई डोंट रियली डू आई मेकअप. बट या दिस इज़ वन ऑफ इट. लाइक दिस इज़ देयर एंगल्ड ब्रश एंड दिस इज़ वेरी यूजफुल फॉर मी. स्पेशली मेरे पास ये सेम एक ऐसे ही नॉर्मल से ब्रांड में है एंड आई एम यूजिंग दैट, बट आई विल स्टार्ट यूजिंग दिस ऑल्सो वेरी सून. It comes in very handy if you want to apply your eyeliner but using your eyeshadow, plus also if you want to apply anything on the lower lash line, this is like the perfect brush. Then we have this one. It's like a flat eyeshadow brush, so if you want to just put something like a pressed glitter or something, आप ये वाली brush use कर सकते हो. And the next one is this crease blender brush. This also comes in very handy if you just want to apply something on crease. Then we have cream precision brush, and then I have got this is pencil brush. Okay, this is pencil brush. Now I don't really use इतना ज़्यादा eyeshadow या I'm not really into eye makeup, so अभी तो मैं इनको यूज़ नहीं कर रही हूँ. एंड ऑनेस्टली मैं इन्हें बचा रही थी कि मेरे वो पुराने वाले ख़राब हो जाएंगे. देन आई विल यूज़ दीज. सो आई विल स्टार्ट यूजिंग दीज दिस ईयर स्पेशली, ऑल ऑफ इट, बिकॉज पुराने वाले ऐसे भी ख़राब हो गए. अनदर बेस्ट पार्ट, इनफैक्ट मैं सब में ही बेस्ट पार्ट बोल रही हूँ. द अनदर बेस्ट पार्ट इज ऑल ऑफ हर ब्रशेज आर ऑल्सो नेम्ड. सो इट सेज फाउंडेशन kabuki, then this one says powder sculpt, and then this one also says concealer brush. So सारे बाकी सारे brushes named है. So even if you are somebody who's very new, then you can just get this set and you will be sorted. Like मैं तो इसको 1.5 साल से यूज़ कर रही हूँ and I have no plans on buying any other brush set for almost like 1 से 1.5 साल और या 2 साल और. इनफैक्ट जब तक ये ख़राब नहीं होता है then I will not buy. Now coming to the price point, this is for 3,000 rupees, and I know it is a lot, but 3,000 rupees is for all 8 brushes and also includes this bag. Now I will honestly say that this whole brush set is for somebody who needs all of these brushes. Okay, like अगर आपको किसमें से कोई एक खरीदना है, because if you just want to use like a nice BB cream or a foundation, you will need this. If you want to use a blush, then you will need this. So even मैं ये दोनों ही brushes यूज़ करती हूँ on a daily basis or whenever I'm applying anything. But if you want to just buy this, it is not an option. You have to buy the whole set. So do not buy it if you do not need those eyeshadow brushes. But if you're into like eyeshadow thoda bhi and you want a good quality brush set which also feels very luxurious, and if you see मैंने इसको बहुत यूज़ किया है but इसकी जो coating है वो बिल्कुल भी नहीं गई है. So for those people it is really nice. So yeah, that's it. And in fact मैंने 3,000 भी पूरा नहीं पे किया था. I remember I got it on discount for maybe around 2,200 or 2,300. I'm not really sure. But yeah, Pack does amazing brushes. And that's it for today's video. I think it was quite a long video and मैं बहुत देर से बातें कर रही हूँ. And if this video was helpful at all, don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button, also the bell icon, so that you get notified every single time I upload a video. And drop in the comment section below if you have tried any of these products and if this was helpful at all. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.